All you need to know about CPD. The SAPC CPD system is an outcome-based system that emphasizes the acquisition of skills rather than the accumulation of points. As such, pharmacy professionals are expected to make entries of learning activities, be they journal article reviews, short courses, seminars, or even workshops, and illustrate the skills addressed or acquired in order to be deemed compliant. CPD helps you grow as a professional and an individual, and it also gives you that competitive edge. The practice environment is always changing. In order to keep up with developments, engage in CPD to remain competent. Pharmacists need to submit 6 CPD entries each year to be compliant. To achieve CPD success, ensure that you submit from a domain that suits your learning need. Remember, plagiarism is unethical and an act of professional misconduct. You learn every day. Why not submit CPDs while you're at it? Hashtag CPD is easy, hashtag CPD Friday, hashtag SAPC.